Hello children, how are you? Good evening and happy Rojo once again to you everyone. Today I'm going to upload my video again, a new chapter, class 7. Today I will start a new chapter of chapter 3. What is the name of the chapter? The changing face of the earth. The changing face of the earth, what we will see over here we will see able to see the how according to the time how the earth is changing. Its means it has been taken keep on changing its faces, its formations, its shape, everything. So before starting my video, I just wanted to know that how was your Rojo. I think it is very good, and please stay at home, maintain social distancing, and follow the rules and regulations whatever given by that government. Everyone properly do the sanitization and help your family to do it better, and definitely you have to do your study well, right? So this is my first video for class 7A and 7B, but 7C already have been seen my videos. But then also this is the new chapter. Then will start. I will give the intro. Acha. I need a book whenever you will see my video na children, so that time you have to sit with your book. Otherwise some cases I will tell some extra things, word meanings or something else, some extra whatever it is not there in your book, so that you have to get it by my video only. Okay children, so we will start. The changing faces of the earth. The earth is highly dynamic and active planet, that we everyone know. Dynamic means according to the time it has been changes its formation, according to the time it has been taken already. It's different type of means so many things are going on. Sometimes the formation of the block mountain, then it has been eroded, it has been again come back, rock cycles are going on, so many things are going on together. Okay, the changes and movement of the taking place in all time inside the earth. There are no different external forces working constantly and changing the force of the earth. Acha, earth is never be constant. How it will never be constant? Because if sorry, excuse me children, if suppose earth will stop, keep on changing, so many things will stop. Okay, so it has to be keep on changing. I think children you will be very much clear. I am very much clear to you. You are understanding my language, so please please give your love and please subscribe my channel also. Otherwise you will not get the notification whenever I will upload my video and all. Okay children, so that is why I just wanted to know that you like my video or not. So please, after uploading, please tell me, yes ma'am, we like your video, we don't like your video, whatever it will be, opinion you should be tell it to me in the group, right? So acha, earth is having two type of forces are there. Okay, one will be inside of the earth, one type of forces are there, another will be the outside of the earth, forces are there. Okay, inside of the earth whatever the forces are there, that will be called as the endogenetic forces. ENDO, endogenetic means inside of the earth. Okay, and whatever the above the earth, some forces are activated like wind, water, river, ocean waves, glaciers. I think children, previous chapter I have already told you that gradation, the factors of gradations, the examples of gradation. So that one only works over here as a exogenetic forces. Okay children, so here one diagram is there in page number 18. One flow chart is there that you have to draw it in your copy, geography copy. Okay, so what are the two forces? We will divide them accordingly its work. We will divide them the forces into two parts. What are the endogenetic and exogenetic? Endo means inside of the earth, exogenetic means over the earth. Okay, not inside. Okay, first we will tell you the endogenetic forces. Endogenetic forces are those that which is arise from the inside of the earth. Okay, they can be sudden. Sudden means like earthquake, anytime it can be happens. Okay, or volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions, there will be no any type of no informations are coming, so suddenly it starts erupting. Suddenly the explosions will be there, then suddenly it starts erupting only. Okay, or it can be slow, it can be continuous process, like the forces of mountain building. Mountain building, it's definitely it's a very slow process. After millions of years mountains are increase its heights also, that everybody children are knowing. But what causes their endogenetic forces? There are some cause are responsible for working of this type of forces. Okay, first What is the reason? Reason will be, first will be the plate tectonics. Plate tectonics will be one of the major reason whichever has been established by Alfred Wegener. Your book name is not there, so please I am telling you, if you want to note it down you can. Alfred Wegener, the theory of plate tectonics to explain the changing phases of the earth. Here the first theory we will get it from where we are getting the information. We are getting the information from these type of theories only. What is the first theory? First theory is that is of that is of plate tectonics theory. Who has invented that? Invention will be, inventors will be who? Inventors will be the Alfred Wegener. Okay, so after him it has been started and it has been giving up strong proof on the theory of this, because whatever are there, according to the theory, according to this theory, what is there? Lithosphere, children, I have already told, lithosphere has been divided into several parts, each and every part. Several parts means big parts, very big parts. Each and every part has been knowing as a plates or parts. Okay, so broken up to number of pieces. What are they are called? Tectonic or lithospheric plates. Underline. Why tectonic plates? Because the total, it has been worms, it has been works, it has been started, it has been originated all by the tectonic forces. That is why it has been called as the tectonic plates. These rigid means very hard. It will not to be generally moved. Rigid plates floats on the, I have already told children that asthenosphere, where it is the upper mantle part, wherever which is very much ductile, you have already known it. Semi-molten rock, lower portions of the upper mantle, it's called asthenosphere. So there these lithospheric plates are easily they have been moved. It is totally ductile. Ductile means it can be easily movable from one place to another place. Okay, the temperature of the asthenosphere is very much high. How much temperature? It will be 1600 degrees centigrade. Underline, children. At the temperature, the rocks are in the near molten form. Definitely, if we will heat it up something. So, children, have you noticed that around 100 degree temperature, the water started boiling? Okay. So here the rocks, the very hard part of the earth surface, it's also being molting. Molting means become melted. Okay. So molten state, they can flow into the thick viscous way. The ductile, how the ductile means it can be movable easily. So here the viscous means it has been moved from one place to another place. The tectonic plates are always moving over it. Okay, now we will tell you the second theory. What is that? It will be for formation of the convectional cell, or we can tell the formation of the convectional current. What is that? Children, I have already told about the different type of forces, how it has been creating the different type of plates. Now I will tell how they will start moving. Okay, this is the second theory. Within this, there will be started the heat from the core sets of the disturbances called convectional cell. The heat which is coming inside of the earth, which is just controlling the plates to move from one place to another plate. These type of forces are called convectional current. Why it is called convectional current? Because it's coming from the down portion to up. Again, it's down portion to up, like a circulatory. It's coming from the down to up, inside of the earth only. Okay, so that is why it has called as the convectional cells. In the mantle it has starts. Underline, children, what is that? Convectional cells. These convectional cells are formed by the rising of the currents heated by the magma. Rising of the currents means the flow means electricity, how it moves one place to another place, suddenly it moves like that way only. Here also, with the help of heat, very much heat, the forces are activated. Due to this type of forces, currents means the forces are activated which is controlling the things. How it controlling the things? The plates, it can be control the plates to move one to if the plates are joined with each other, they will started moving, it's making it separated. Or the plates are separated, they will started moving by its joint. And some cases they will stride apart, means one plate will move and to another place, one place will move to this side, another place will come to opposite side, they will clash and they will move it out. Okay, so it's called slided apart. Acha, here by this way we will get three types of plate movements. What are they? What are they? Plate movements are, one will be convection, that convergent plates, another will be divergent plates, and another third is not given in your book, only picture has been given, that only I am telling you, that will be called as the transform plates. It will you will come to know in this type of transform plates in the your class 9. Okay. So here I am giving some introduction of this, so then only further you will learn it very nicely. Okay. Acha. These movements of tectonic plates are called earthquakes. Acha. These type of plate tectonic moves, there are we come to know there are three types of plate boundary. Plate boundaries means how the plates are moves. Within we have three type of categories. How it moves? One will be coming to each other, another will be moving to moving apart from each other, and another type I have said that this way, that way, like this way they are moving. Okay. First, plates are moved towards each other are called, please underline children, if the plates are coming and joining to each other, so it will be called as the plate tectonic movement. Okay. And here children, I will show you the plate movement, how the plates are moving. Okay, if suppose the plates are coming and they are joining with each other. Okay, these are called convergent plate boundaries. Okay, they are coming and they are joining. After the situation, how the plates will be? Like this and like this. Okay. Second type, divergent. If suppose the plates are attached like this way, okay, and they will move from one to another. If they are separated, it will be called divergent. Okay, children, and another thing is that is of, I will tell you the third type, that is of one plates will come to this side, another plates will move to that side. So it will pass on. One will be go to this direction, another will go to come to this direction. Okay, so it will be go to moving from each other. So it will be called as transform. Plate boundaries. Okay, so here we can able to see there are three types of plate movements are there. That will be, one will be convergent, second will be divergent, and third one will be transform fault. Okay, here children, everybody will draw the diagram of these type of three type of plates. Okay children, so your conception will be very much clear and you will come to know what is happening. Okay. Acha, now we will read it out. The plates that move towards each other are called convergent plates. The plates that move away from each other, away means separated. I have drawn it already. It's divergent plate. These movements are tectonic plates caused. Acha. Some effects are also there. Due to this type of plate movement, some effects are also coming. What type of effects are coming? Means it is giving some results. What are they? It is giving some, means if something has been moved, so definitely it will create the earthquakes, right children? So definitely it creates the earthquake, it creates the another thing what it creates the volcanic activity, means explosions will be there, volcanic eruptions will be there. Okay, like this way children, these two picture you have to draw it. I will click the picture, then I will send it to you. The great mountain system of the earth, like the Himalayas and these, I will give you a very nice example that here children, you are able to see that convergent plate boundaries. Now first part, here you can able to see now this first part, convergent plate boundaries, Himalayas, which is located on our earth, on the on our India only, in our India only. So here this type of plate boundaries are seen in the Himalayan mountain. Here what is happening here inside of the earth, there are so many processes are there, but roughly I am telling to you that two plates are coming. Two plates, who are they? One will be Indonesian plate, another will be Indian plate. One will be Eurasian plate, another will be Indian plate. These two are coming and joining to each other, and inside of the things, whatever it is, their subductions things that will be get folded and they will be go upward. Okay, and taking the form of the Himalayan mountains. Here also not only Himalaya, and these also same here were created when the two plates converged. Converged means joining with each other. Similarly, the deep trenches are found. Deep trenches means deep fault or deep cracks are found. Wherever cracks means found means the deep type of scars. Scars means cut, cut like a thing, like this way. Like cut means I will tell it to you like this way. Children, here you can able to see cuts are like this, scars, this, scars. These are called scars. Okay. Similarly, deep trenches are found. Deep trenches are found means deep type of means very depth of the earth. I think children everybody is knowing class 6. You have already read that. That is of about the Mariana Trench, right? So Mariana Trench, what is happening in the Mariana Trench? We are caused by the divergent plate. Definitely, whenever two plates are joined like this way, and they will move from each other. So definitely in the inside part there will be very much gap. Will be there gap. So trenches means very much gap inside the oceans also, okay, or inside the countries also. Here I will tell you. So here it's over, and transform plates I will tell it to you that whenever two plates are like this way, they will be moved apart from each other like this way, this way, this way, slided apart. Crossed apart and strided apart from each other, that will be coming under what? It will be called as a transform plate boundaries. So today children up to here, otherwise I will I think you will not able to digest only because here are so many things to learn. Please read the things, then only your conception will be clear, and repeated time you see my videos, it will be help you a lot. And then I'll be also there definitely after doing this. If you want my help anytime, please I'll be there. Please do the messaging in the group, ping me over there if you have any doubt, and definitely clear your doubt in the Zoom classes. All 100% attendance should be there, okay. So thank you children, thank you so much, and for that we have I have taken the class. Till that time, please maintain social distancing, please stay safe, stay at home, don't move up around outside. So now these days corona is increasing day by day, it's very much amount, so please stay at home. It will be the safest place of the earth. Otherwise means you will not be safe outside. So definitely you maintain social distancing, please be safe, stay sanitized, and thank you so much. Thank you children, and once again happy Rojo. Where whatever it is over already, but let's Rath Yatra is coming, so that also for advance wishes are also there. So okay, thank you so much, thank you children, once again good evening.